Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, this is language learning channel. So today we're going to be looking at some of the body parts in Sepedi language. So starting off, I would like to thank all the people that are viewing my videos, liking and commenting. Keep up, stay tuned for more. So let's get right into today's video. So the first body part, we're going to be looking at the face body part. So the first one, we have eyes. What do we call eyes in Sepedi? So eyes are called mahlo. Eyes are called mahlo. So what about a nose? What do we call a nose in Sepedi? So a nose is called nko. A nose is called nko. So what about lips? What are lips called in Sepedi? So lips are called melomo. Melomo. One lip is molomo. One lip is molomo. The other one, tongue. What do we call tongue in Sepedi language? So tongue is called leleme. Tongue is called leleme. So what do we call ear in Sepedi? So ear is called tsebe. One ear is called tsebe. 2 ears is called ditsebe. Ditsebe. 2 ditsebe. 2 or more ditsebe. So another one, we have teeth. Teeth. What do we call teeth in Sepedi? So teeth are called meno. Meno. Teeth are called meno. So one tooth is called liino. When a single tooth is called liino. So the next body part, we have a hair. What do we call a hair in Sepedi? So a hair is called moriri. Moriri. A hair is called moriri. What do we call a neck in Sepedi? So a neck is called molala. Molala. A neck is called molala. The other one, we have a arm. What do we call an arm in Sepedi? So an arm is called letsogo. Letsogo. An arm is called letsogo. What about a hand? A hand. A hand is called seatla. Hands are called diatla. Many hands are diatla. So the next body part, we have fingers. Fingers. What do we call fingers? So fingers are called menwana. Fingers. Many fingers are called menwana. One finger is called monwana. Monwana. Let's look at the other one. We have lungs. What are lungs called? Lungs are called maswafu. Maswafu. To the next one, we have a heart. What do we call a heart? So a heart is called pelo. Pelo. A heart is called pelo. So let me look at the other one. We have a stomach. What do we call a stomach? A stomach is called mba. Mba. The stomach is called mba. Our last body part for this video. So we have a nail. What do we call a nail? So a nail is called lenala. Lenala. Many nails are called manala. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more language learning, Sepedi language learning, and more vocabulary English word learning.